Hi my lovely viewers, this is LOIT World Learning Tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to move Esaymail email client apps in PC or laptop in Windows 11. So for this case you have to go to the search options here. So go to settings for finding this app. So here apps will work. So install app, what app and what it works to uninstall and manage apps on your PC, any kinds of PC. Go to here, we have to write here, or if we found this the above thing, so no need to write, and here I'm getting it easily. Esaymail, click here, go to the option here, we can go, or we can go to the direct from here. So move, see here the move, if we want, by default it has the D, new volume D, that means a local disk D and this. And if I want to move this from here to here, we can do it easily and press this. So take it and move it. See, it is moving. Any kinds of things, any kinds of file, whatever app that have been installed in that local disk or new volume disk E. See, again with the take, see here, and this app is currently installed on new volume E. See, in this way we can do this thing. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to this channel. Hopefully this tutorial will help you so much.